Malumaunu le whangatia awa atoa li seu mo latou soa seu. O te leto e seu te whidia la le naa ai o te seu matatoanga wā le fui o tato hifo I mautanga I nei tai au. O lea o sau fia le manu sa afusia. O wai whai ki tāsa moa o le fui lave. A o sei a mai moana. Ma ifo tonu fo I le fui neu I le lapa. Ho taupa ia sa ma whainga. Nunua tuia whaatidi o tausala. A wā o Samoa o le atunu o uma o na te tofi. Ma lola soifua ma le whalau manuia le nei tai au. Whaatalo whātu. E mua o na si le vi inga ma le whaafitai le tua. O no le whaamoe sa lupe le nei o taunuu. Le whaamoe sa whauwao whaupo. Na taumate pe tuania. A lea wanga le leiro tātou tāpa au sidi le langi. Ma ua whaataunuina le nei tai au matango fie. O le vi inga I le tua I le whaititia. Ono awanoa wa ia saunia. E lango ai taleni a tangata anu o Samoa ma le Pasifika. E pei ono iai nei taleni o le whaanga tama o le lakapi. E fia le loto ma le nganga I awai le nei tai au. Ai meise o le mai mua mai asi o tātou watanu. I lana tāpua inga mamalu. I tama whaanau o Samoa ma le Pasifika. Ua malanga mai Samoa ono le nei lava tālonga taua o le lakapi. O le whaamoe pei o le sila fia. O le whaatau taia lea o se tālonga lakapi. O le tāmilasanga lakapi. O le Pasifika po le Super Rugby Pacific. I te tonu o Samoa. O whaatuina ai se matatia I le vea lea ma tālonga mua. O le nei tāmilasanga. O whaatinoina I lau whanua o Samoa. O vea lea mo mitanga I tangata nuu. O nuu mafioanga mai kalesia. Wa vea la tau tama whanau. Malupe whaalele le nei whaanga tama le lakapi. Ai meise tama whanau. O lo ta alo le tātou au. O le Moana Pasifika. E winga ese la le nei tai au. O mātou bodi mau ma ua mawhai ona wa ai tino atu o tātou tangata. Ai meise le whanau ma tupulanga whaiae. Ia o tau ia. O alo le atunu, whapea I la tau maisi atunu o le Pasifika, ua vea o tau malamepa, ua tuu wae lunga le tuu ngā la mepa, ua susulu ma wha malama ai le ala mo tu pulanga whaiae, a waso la tau manuia mo atai ao. E momoli atuai le whaafitai I le taitai malanga, lau fioga tui whaasasina, Sir Brian Williams, le taitai fono, la hofionga, la auli savai, Sir Michael Jones, le komiti whaatonu, le ofisa Silio Pulenga, la ususunga, Penenato Sakalia, le whaia onga, ma le Pulenga, o le tāpe na ina, o le tātou au, o le Moana Pasifika. Le filifilia I la tau o iai le tāleni ma le angawaa, ma ia tunu taitasi o le Pasifika, ma le whaafafoina le nei tāleni, ma le ao tauina o nei alo o le Pasifika, e awhia ai sabo nei, I le whaanga tama o le lakapi, ia whaamanuia pēr le atua I la o tau ngā ruenga tiae. Mō tama tā alo o le Moana Pasifika, manuia la tau tā alonga I le Aperila. I o tau manatua, o lo tapua I lo tātou atunu, whapea le Pasifika atoa. Tā alo tau safia, ma le mataalia, a ia mauolunga le vi inga o le atua, o ia e ona le malosi o malava. Whamanuia le atua ia o tau ainga ma wō, mai la tau uma o malanga mai mo le nei whaamoemoe. I manuia fo le tapo inga mamalua si o tātou atunu I tupu mai, I nuu mafioanga, le nofo a whawhenga inga mo si taulanga, a inga mai kalesia, ai maise Samoa atoa. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and member of our community, it is my great pleasure to welcome the Moana Pasifika rugby team to this momentous occasion. Today we gather to celebrate the outstanding achievements of these remarkable athletes who have represented our communities and the Pacific as a whole with such honor and distinction. Rugby is a sport that requires incredible strength, skill, and determination. And our rugby team has demonstrated all of these qualities in abundance. They have trained tirelessly, faced formidable opponents with unwavering resolve, and never given up in the face of adversity. Their dedication and commitment to excellence have made us all incredibly proud, and they have become a shining example of our children and generations to come of what can be achieved through hard work and perseverance. It is with great honor and gratitude that I take this opportunity to express our sincere appreciation to the patron of Moana Pasifika, Tui Whasasina Sir Brian Williams, Chairman Lauli Savai, Sir Michael Jones, the Board of Directors, CEO Pelenato Sakalia, the coach and management of our Moana Pasifika rugby team. Your unwavering support, dedication and guidance have been instrumental in the success of our team. You have provided the necessary resources, both financial and otherwise, to ensure that our team is well equipped to compete at the highest level. Your vision, leadership and guidance have created an environment that fosters teamwork, determination and resilience, and has inspired our players to achieve greatness. Your commitment to the team has been unwavering, and your tireless efforts have been instrumental in the success that we have achieved so far. Your passion for the game and your belief in the potential of our team has been a constant source of inspiration and has propelled us forward towards greatness. Thank you for your support, and may you continue to guide and inspire us towards greater heights. So to our rugby team, Moana Pasifika, I say this: you are an inspiration to us all, and it means a lot for us for you to be here in Samoa. Your commitment, your courage, and your unwavering spirit has made us all incredibly proud. Some of you who read the sports section of last Tuesday's newspaper, and as reported widely by the media, quoting Aaron Major, speaking of what Moana Pasifika is about. It's about creating a pathway into the Pacific Islands national teams. It's about developing Pacific Island rugby, developing Pacific Island talent, and bringing the talent and the resources back to the Pacific. Moana Pasifika is playing for a bigger picture, and you are the trigger and the catalyst of new change. That article is documentary evidence that your journey has been mapped out for you and those who will follow in your footsteps for the benefit of rugby and for the benefit of the Pacific people. On behalf of the Samoan government, I thank you for everything you have done and congratulate you on your remarkable journey so far and your achievement today here in Samoa. May you continue to inspire us all with your passion, your determination, and your incredible talent. To the fans, your families, and everyone here in support, we thank you, and may you continue to be a part of this incredible journey to the end. Lastly, I would like to wish the team success for the game on Friday night. God bless you all. Manuia, soifua mai manuia.
Talofa lava. Please excuse me, as you have rightly pointed out. I unfortunately am not fluent in the Samoan language. However, I would just like to say to the Honourable Deputy Prime Minister Moana Pasifika, Thank you so much for the warmth of your welcome and the comments that you made. You made reference to an article that you read, which very much encapsulated what our motives are, what our journey is. No one ever said, sir, that this was going to be an easy journey, and I always tell the story about how long the quest to become part of Super Rugby has been. Just walking down the street today in the march brought back very happy memories of 1991 when I was part of the Manu Samoa coaching team, and just wonderful memories when we returned from the World Cup in 1991. And but we then went to a World Cup in '95, and World Rugby was about to turn professional. Many clandestine meetings took place, and when the dust had settled, the whole of the Pacific had been left out of Super Rugby. And it's always been a great sense of grievance that I and many others have felt about that. So it's taken us all this length of time, sir, to get our quest to enter Super Rugby across the line, and we finally managed that last year. You rightly point out that the main objective of our journey, shall I say, is to improve the standard of the national teams of Ikalitahi and Manu Samoa, and also Fiji and the other Pacific nations. And our quest really is to bring the game back to the people. You know, Friday night is our first opportunity. This week has been our first opportunity to come back to the Pacific, and I must say that we've been warmly welcomed. We certainly hope our people will realise the journey we're on and attend in great numbers on Friday night. That'd be really nice if that were to happen. But all I know is, you know, the coaches, Aaron Major and Filo Tiatia, and the other coaches, Dale McLeod and the rest of the team and the management are going to try and make us all very proud on Friday night. Super Rugby is a really hard place. Many of the teams, as I say, have been going for 25, 27 years, so they have these infrastructures built up that make them pretty formidable opposition. And we've found that, but you know, last year we managed to get a couple of really good wins against teams that are doing really well this year, the Hurricanes and the Brumbies. And we've been so close so far this year, haven't we, boys? Last minute losses, and you know, the game against the Crusaders last Friday night was a classic example. The game was in the balance right till the very end of the game, and we didn't quite get it across the line. So we're going to be trying very hard to do that on Friday and from here on. So can I just say thank you to the government of Samoa for your welcome, for the warmth of your welcome, and to our sponsors, Digicel and the Samoa Tourism Authority. Thank you very much for your support and all the support that we're getting as a team and as an organisation. We have some of our board members down in the group there, and as I say, our coaches. We're all extremely pleased to be here and very grateful for the reception that we've had. So with those words, I'll hand back and say once again, whawhatai te lava.